Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've cracked out this new box of paints that I purchased. It's the Arteza Metallic Acrylic Paint set. I'll be doing a loaded palette knife swipe today. These are the palette knives I've chosen on a white base with black lacing. Let's get started. So this is a 10 by 12 inch canvas, but I have one that I'm not happy with, so I'm actually going to pour over this one today. So now one problem I've got is I seem to have broken my spinner, but it will still spin. I've just got to be a little bit careful because it'll be wobbly. There we go. Okay, so I haven't done very many of these loaded palette knife swipes, but there's been lots of people doing it on the internet now, on YouTube, mostly Winterstrom. Love her art, and so I'm hoping to achieve something along those lines. Now this is my pillow paint. This is interesting actually because I added a little bit of pouring medium to it because I thought it was a bit thick. Now I'm wondering if it's a bit thin, but we're going to go with it because I want to test it. Let's put some extra in the middle. So I made up, for this canvas, I made up and I mixed pouring medium. I made up 250 mils, which is just over 8 ounces, maybe 8.5 ounces of the pillow paint. So I'm hoping that will be enough. And let's load up. All right, so I'm going to start with this palette knife, and I'm going to put my Oxide, Amsterdam Oxide Black, mixed with Australian Floetrol on there, and let's add the gold and just add a few different colors on top. So that's the gold, Arteza Gold. Then this one here is Pearl Deep Brown. Then we've got some silver and some bronze. All right, let's have a go. So I haven't used these Arteza paints before. But that looks good. And I think we will do something like that again, going from the other way. Maybe the Oxide Black on there. We put the gold in the middle. Drizzle on some silver. Let's try that. That's interesting. I like that. A little bit of black on here. I'm just trying to figure out whether to lift or not. Do I want to come this way with something with a bit of gold and bronze? I think I'll use the small palette knife. I want to keep it reasonably minimalistic. Maybe a tiny bit of silver. I don't know, should I keep it really simple like that? Should we try that? I think we should. I think my pillow paint might be a little bit thin though. I'll be careful how I spin this. I've got a bit white left over if I need to fill out any corners. Look over here. We've nearly got all the edges covered. Spin it a bit more. I do want it to spread out a bit thicker, take up a bit more of the painting. Well, I do actually quite like this, but I want to spin it a little bit more. So I'd like to come off here a bit. Yeah, I think that's good. Lots of negative space, but I don't want to lose too much of this off, or this. No, I think the composition is really good too. I can't wait to see how these metallics work, how the shine comes out. But I like this on multiple angles, which is great. Could possibly come this way a bit, but then it wouldn't look as good this way. So I think I like it this way from the way I'm looking, but for you, it's that way. I think I like it that way. Okay, I will bring you in for a wet look. Okay, here is the wet result. Now, this is really interesting because I thinned the pillow paint down a little bit. Well, I think this is the reason, but I seem to be getting some pearl-like cells. So they're kind of expanding a bit in places. I've got one coming up here. I've got a couple through there. So I actually think that's because I thinned down the pillow paint. Very interesting. I haven't done a lot of these, so I'd be curious to see if I didn't thin it down, whether the same thing happens. I don't think it's because of the Arteza paint. But yeah, it looks pretty. I'm looking forward to seeing the shine. I like the softness through here as well. So yeah, I will bring it back when it's dry. We'll see if it develops actually more. The lacing through here is beautiful, and up here as well. Okay, I'll bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And I've just come into a different area for showing you this. I might just bring you out here. You get a bit more shine with these lights. So these areas didn't open too much more. You can see in a few spots they do look kind of like pearl cells. Interesting. And then just a different view. A few different angles. That looks pretty good. Very different. I actually quite like it this way. I'll bring that out here. Yeah. So I hope you like that one, guys. Next up, what have I got? Oh, I'm doing a split cup. It's exciting. So, and then I'm going to be doing another one like this, but different. So yeah, got a couple of good ones coming up, I think. And yeah, that's it for this one. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.